Welcome to my channel, The Pocket of Knowledge. Flowers name. Welcome kids. Today we will learn the names of beautiful flowers. Let's get started. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Sunflower, S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. Marigold, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Hibiscus, H-A-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. Lily, L-I-L-Y, lily. Jasmine, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Daisy, D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. Tulip, T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Mogra, M-O-G-R-A, mogra. Champa, C-H-A-M-P-A, champa. Ashoka flower, A-S-H-O-K-A-F-L-O-W-E-R, Ashoka flower. Lavender, L-A-V-E-N-D-E-R, lavender. Poppy, P-O-P-P-Y, poppy. Periwinkle, P-E-R-I-W-I-N-K-L-E, periwinkle. Orchid, O-R-C-H-I-D, orchid. Dahlia, D-A-H-L-I-A, dahlia. Bluebell, B-L-U-E, blue, B-E-L-L, bell, bluebell. So children, today you learn the name of different flowers. Keep practicing every day to remember them well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe my channel, The Pocket of Knowledge.